the fuck is going on, guys? Yeah, I just finished digitally opening some booster packs before. They were Heart Gold and Soul Silver ones. They were right here. Got some nice pulls. I guess I'm gonna open these packs here now. These Dragons Exalted ones. Okay, let's do this. Oh, we got a Fungus, Trubbish, Gothita, Apom, Cubone, Tool Scrabber, Gotharita, Laron, Golurk, and Jumper. So we'll look at that again. Devolve the different Pokemon in the last stage evolution into your opponent's hand. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, next pack. Let's do this. Okay, Electrike, Roselia, Butoff, Dana? Yeah, something like that. Drifloon, Giant Cap, the Evolution Spray, Laron, again, Stunky, and a Magmortar. That's pretty cool. Next pack. What's that? No, it's not good. We got a Time Ball, a Wurmple, Apom, Stunky, Yanma, Special Energy. That's pretty cool. Laron, Throw, something. Garchomp. I've already got one of these. The second one won't hurt. And a Hydreigon, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, this card's pretty good. I like this card a lot. Okay, next one. I don't like it that much. God. Wait, is this the same pack? This looks exactly the same as the last one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but... okay, Trubbish, Houndour, Hoppip, Electrike, Slackoth, Special Energy, Ninjask, Maractus, Zweilous, yeah, blah, blah. You get my point. Okay, next pack. We've got a Stunky, Rufflet, Yanma, Gibble. Oh, did I skip one there? Gollet, a Gabite, a Barrel, Devolution Spray, a Magma, and a Honchkrow. Not too bad. EX. Oh well. We've got Drifloon, Trubbish, Sphere, Electrike, Rufflet, Ordino, Maractus, Fluffy, Claydol, and Aggron. Aggron? I think it takes that. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Okay. No, it's pretty cool. Sweet. Yeah, I guess next video I'll be opening all of these packs here that I have left. If you'd like to see that video, then I guess I'll leave a link in the description once it's already uploaded. I'll link the other video that I'm about to upload in this one, so you guys can click on that if you want. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you sexy folks later.